6 Essential Tips for Boosting Your Affiliate Commissions. Many people who consider starting an online business often don't know where to begin. Chances are you've already signed up for at least one affiliate program. Having your own website will make the process of boosting your affiliate commissions easier. 1. Find the right products to promote. Obviously, you'll want to find one which offers generous compensation. You'll want to earn enough to make promoting the project worth your time and effort. You'll also want a product that pays their affiliates on time. 2. If you do have a website, write a free ebook or report you can give away. When visitors sign up for the free item, be sure to collect and save their email address with a double opt-in sign up. This will let them know to expect to get other emails from you. 3. Create an online newsletter or e-zine, and be sure to recommend the products you're promoting within the newsletter. You'll be able to develop a relationship with your readers, which may potentially translate into them taking your recommendation and purchasing the affiliate product. 4. Choose an autoresponder for your website which will send emails, newsletters, e-zines, or other correspondence with very little effort. 5. Write articles and submit them to article directories. These will provide a link back to your website where your affiliate products are advertised. People won't know how to obtain the products or services you promote if they never see your website. 6. Conserve a portion of your commission payment to put back into your affiliate marketing business. These funds can be used to purchase pay-per-click ads and to track how effective those ad campaigns are. Spend some time on forums where affiliate marketers gather. You may also pick up other ideas besides these 6 tips for boosting your affiliate commissions. The important thing to remember is to continue promoting as much as you can. Without any promotion at all, these 6 tips won't help in the slightest.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.